Well, hello there, my lovelies. We are going to make a soap. It's a remake for me, but it is new to you guys. It is inspired by the Daryl Hall and John Oates song, Out of Touch, which just so happens to be my second favorite Daryl Hall and John Oates song. I have TD in my lye water, and I am going to stick blend it in so I don't have too much at the bottom. This is a white based soap, and in my bucket it is my Isis recipe. So we have our bentonite clay, our heavy cream, and our yogurt, and then the lye water is 50-50 mix of aloe vera and distilled water, salt, sugar, and all this TD. Now this is scented in jasmine, and I love Nature's Garden. I'm a big Nature's Garden girl. And even though it says it doesn't rice on the website, it does rice in my recipe. So I'm only going to be adding it to the white. I'll pull off the colors once we get everything emulsified. Because my colors are solidified from waiting for this to cool down to the temp I want to work with it at, I will stick blend my colors, but like I said, I'm not going to put fragrance in them. So, yes, this is one of our spring soaps, although we do keep it out all year round. People ask for jasmine all the time, so I do keep it out. Nice and thick. I let it cool down just a teensy-beensy too much. But that's okay, because this also speeds up trace just a little bit, which will make my piping a little bit easier. And I do need samples of it. So I need a little bit more green than I do of the pink. And like I said, these are going to be muted. They're going to be pastel. Let me see if I can't stir these colors in, but I don't know. I think I'm going to have to... Oh no, they seem to be stirring in pretty good. This is Jazzberry Pink. And the green I'm using is Lily Pad Green. Let me make sure there's not too many streakies in here. Don't want streaky color. Okay, let me try the green. The green looked a little bit more solidified than the pink did. So how's everybody doing? This will be the first time in a while I've done more than one soap in a night with my back being as it was. We talked about it when we made Hotel California. I'm doing this on the same night. But this will be the last one for sure. Alright, I need to pour off a little bit for leaves. Like, just a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. I may want to add... Oh, that pretty much... Oh no, I can add a little bit more green for the leaves. If I have extra leaves, it's not a big deal. I just pipe them on wax paper. But y'all know that if you watch me. Okay, here we go. Here is our fragrance. Oh, I can get rid of this. Yeah, like I said, if I remember correctly, this does rice. So let's see. And it will yellow the batter, but it does turn white, like stark white. Oh. I guess it's not ricing. I guess not. What do you know? I do have my hanger because it does speed up trace. It is, after all, a floral. Okay, let's bring our Judy over here. Bring our mold in. I'm going to point you guys down some and bring you guys in a little bit closer. Can you see that? Well, sort of. Okay. I'm going to pour our white to about halfway. Okay. And then our green from up high. And our pink from up high. I'm going to put some more green in there too, because that's a lot for the top. Okay, and here we go. And all I'm going to do is just fill that up. The rest of it's going to go in my sample mold, except for the green and pink. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that now. I guess, well, hey, I will throw this in there. Okay, so what I have to do is let me bang it really quick. I have to let this set up. I'm going to put it on my stove where it's level. Woo, guys. Woo. Well, and I'm going to have to clean up that mold while we're on break. But I'm going to add my green and my pink to... No, I'm not. I'm going to add my pink to that, make it light pink, the samples. And I have these. These are from the time I made it last time. These were piped with the Russian piping tip. So these flowers, some of them are okay, some of them are bad. Like this one is really bad. Look at that. That's terrible. But some of them are absolutely gorgeous, and those are the ones I'm going to put on there. So I'm going to pull out these while that is setting up. And then we're going to pipe leaves in the middle of it. So I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Okay, I know it's a little bit dark, but I wanted you to see the top of it. Because it's so pretty. Okay. I pulled out, and yes, I do not have my gloves on because I can't pick these bad boys up. If I do have them on, I just sort of set them sort of nilly-willy. It doesn't really matter, like, you know, how they go. And if I need to cut them in half, oh, I should probably get my knife out if I'm going to do that, right? Then I will. Now I have this song in my head, like, big time. And some of these flowers don't have pink in the middle, like others do. Woo! See why I can't do this with gloves on? They just go all over the place. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I think I made 8 ounces of soap and just piped used my Russian tips to pipe these flowers. You know, and when I do that, I always keep them, like I said, when I have leaf batter left over, I use that leaf batter and I just make leaves on a cookie sheet, which I have some in the soap room. However, I didn't bring them out here. So I'm going to cut some of these in half. Oh, that's the wrong side of the knife, Sue Lynn. Get yourself together, girl. That one can go right there. I'm going to cut this one in half. That can go there. I probably should have left them all out. But no. Why would I do that? Why would I make things easy on myself? Oh, crap. Oh, and I don't have gloves on. There we go. That's a little bit better. I'll cover that up with a leaf. There we go. So I can cut this little, like, leaf up that's sticking out of there. One there. One there. I'm going to have to go in that bag. Oh, maybe not, because I can use that little leaf right there. I don't know, guys. What do you think? You think that's enough flowers? Oh, did I bring you guys in closer? No, I didn't. Whoa, whoa, too close, too close, too close, too close. Let me see what you're seeing here. You probably need more light than that. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Oh, sorry. Like I said, I'm not a professional videographer. I can light the heck out of a photo studio, though. It doesn't translate in my brain the right way. I have no idea why. You think it would. Okay. Let me see if my leaves are ready. Nope, leaves aren't ready. So what I'm going to do, because these leaves are going to take a hot second to be ready, I'm going to go ahead and just put the leaves on it after it's done and let you guys go. And in 18 to 24 hours, I will be able to show you what the soap looks like with its leaves on as well. Alrighty guys, I'll see you in 18 to 24 hours. Bye-bye. Hi guys, we're back to cut out of touch, but I have to show you something so amazing first. I have a customer that buys from me all the time. She's completely awesome, and her daughter is an engineer. And she made me these. These are shower steamer holders. These shower steamer holders are 3D printed, and they are printed to the exact size of my shower steamers. So this way, when customers buy these along with the shower steamers, because my shower steamers are huge and they can last through more than one shower, then you can just put your shower steamer in there, take it in the shower, and if you don't use it all, you can just pick it up, let it dry off, and use it for your second shower. So yeah, I'm very excited about those. But we're gonna cut out of touch. Ava's here with me, aren't you, Ava? Are you sticking your tongue out? You're a dork. Okay, let's see. I'm taking an end piece off. Ooh, Mimi waited too long to cut this.
Can I have that?
No, you can't have that. Why are you being a dork? All of a sudden a camera gets turned on and you're like Miss America or something.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, there's one. And two.
Two? What's that?
Ooh, smell. It's Jasmine. Jasmine.
You have extra soap stuff.
Yeah, I know. I have got lots of extra soap stuff. I gotta send that to my friend Renee, all the extra soap stuff.
Is that who gave her? Is that her daughter's? Is that her?
No, that's not the. No, Renee is my friend in California. The lady that was here today, her daughter is an engineer. She's one of my customers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why isn't there a kid fishing pole?
Why is there a kid fishing pole? Because it's Kiki's.
Oh.
Papa bought it for Kiki.
Every time when he goes fishing.
Yeah.
Does she come?
She's gone fishing with Papa before.
I never.
Because you don't like fishing.
I like to eat them.
Yeah, you like to eat them, but you definitely don't like fishing. You're not going to put a worm on a hook, right? Yes, she said, yeah. Anyway. You can go back upstairs if you want to, honey. Well, no, you just want to go all around my basement, and you don't need to do that. Ooh, that was a small bar. That wasn't quite an inch, y'all. Okay. So, to compensate, let's make this an inch. Oh, that's better. That's better. These will be beveled. I definitely like to bevel my more floral scents. And they need to be beveled. Ah! I don't know what the heck's going on with my string. I think it's because the... soap is so hard. I should have cut this days and days ago, you guys. There we go. I also need to, there we go. What, baby?
I love you.
I love you too. What do you want?
There's a lot of cat food.
Stop it. Okay. There's that one. And look at that. That flower landed on there perfect. Awesome. And that one. So you guys have a great week. And I will see you guys very soon.
Bye.
You're going to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.